tao mo napatay, lalabas yung hepe. Ang lapit lang doon sa lugar niya eh. Hindi lumalabas yung hepe. Hindi nagpapakita.
Sir, yung pag-contempt kapag hindi nagpakita next hearing,
Yeah. Yeah.
sabihin na ipapadala sa kanila, sir.
No, I will just invite them and under pain of contempt, gently.
Sir, you said
Because we have to have answers.
Sir, you said there's lack of enthusiasm. When you talk about Bucor investigators, you think you have a theory that their superiors are actually behind these killings. That's why
Can you speak to the microphone?
there's lack of enthusiasm, sir.
There is lack of enthusiasm
Yes, sir.
across the board,
No, but
not just Bucor.
so if in the case of the Bucor investigators, sir, you think their superiors are, or they suspect their superiors are involved? That's why there's this.
I suspect they know. They don't care. Ayoko makialam dyan. May kaya yung pumapatay dyan. Yun ang suspicion ko.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.